Let's learn how to translate speech to text easily on your iPhone. Today, we'll use the Translator app. You can install it from the link given in the description. Open the Translator app on your iPhone. On the top left corner, you can change the language you want to translate from. Tap on the top right corner to select the language you wish to convert into. From the list of available options, search and choose a language. Next, touch the microphone button at the bottom to speak. Hi, can you tell me which way to the airport? It will instantly translate the speech into a written text. Tap the play button on the second dialog screen to listen to the translation.
Hallo, können Sie mir sagen, wer zum Flughafen ist?
As easy as that. Download the translator for iPhone, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tutorials.